Yo, what up, boys? Okay, so it's January 2nd. I haven't made a video in a bit. This video will come out after I've edited the live at bats video. So if you're watching that, or if you're watching this before that, you should go watch that. It's a cool video. So today is January 2nd, right? It's officially like 6 months before I really need to start throwing very hard. And I think, you know what? I think I got a shot. So I'm gonna try to play in the summer. I gotta apply to grad school. Here, let's put it up. Maybe I can put it up on the thing. I gotta apply to grad school. I gotta play in the summer, and I gotta throw hard. So those are the things I need to do. Those are the non-negotiables. It's like I need to apply to grad school so I can continue playing. I need to play in the summer, and I need to throw hard. Because if I don't throw hard, I'm not going anywhere. Also, check it out. Got a new camera for Christmas. Thank you to my parents for getting me this. Yeah, so there's going to be some gym content today because it's raining and we can't throw. I also haven't thrown at all this week, which is bad. But it has been raining. I haven't really been able to go to the facility because I didn't hit up Luis. I'm sure he would have got me in. But yeah, so we're going to go to the gym now. Yo, all right, it's raining pretty bad out here. So this is the new camera. Hopefully you can hear me.